What up, love bugs? It's your girl Nisha coming to y'all with June's BoxyCharm unboxing. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a thing, but I kind of feel like it could be a thing. I really do like these boxes. What I must say is that this one is by far the smallest box I've received thus far. So I'm kind of like, what's in here? Yeah, like what's in here? Like, you guys, the boxes are normally bigger. Like, I don't know what's in here. Like, the box is small, but you know, it could be some goodies in this box. BoxyCharm normally come with 5 products. So what 5 products did y'all put in this little box is what I would like to know. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump on into June's unboxing. You guys, I sound horrible, like, so I want to make this quick so I can lay down. Like, I am tired. I've had a long week, and sleep is calling my name, rest is calling my name, hot tea and possibly hot toddies are calling my name. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this box. Okay, I have my scissors here. It has not been opened. I will not show you guys the back because that's where my address and everything is. But I'm about to cut it open and we're going to just see what's in the box for this month, okay? And this month, BoxyCharm is, their theme is Dare to Dazzle. So this is Pride. I guess this is a Pride box. Okay. And I'm pretty much seeing all that's in the box. Normally this is something that I don't do. I normally like to just, you know. But anywho, from the looks of things in this little box, I can see some goodies. So I'm excited, okay? I'm excited about what could possibly be in this box. I did no sneak peeks. I did no hunts. I did no searches or nothing for anything. So the box is truly a surprise to me and unto you, okay? So the first thing that I saw when I opened the box is a product by Sunday Riley. It's called Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It looks like this, and this retails. Y'all know Sunday Riley ain't on the cheap side, okay? This one retails for $85. I've used lactic acid before, but not as of late. So I'm excited about this. And it said it's a targeted treatment to rapidly exfoliate and boost naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Girl, she need all of the above, okay? So it's basically an exfoliator, and I'm excited about that. So that's the first thing that's in here. The second thing is from NARS, and it is a velvet matte lip pencil. Okay. And should look like this. I think NARS is pretty much always in the boxes. That's a really pretty color. It's it looks coral. The color is Dulce Vita. So that's cool. And that retails for $27. The next one is by True and Luscious, which looks like this, and it's a flower dose lip and eye serum infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid flower water, and passion extracts. A plumping lip and eye lip and eye. Anywho, it retails for $34, and I want to see what it looks like. Is it dual ended? Girl, hold on. I gotta stop. Hold on. a plumping lip and eye serum. Okay. So it looks like a needle, which is cute. And I'm sure you probably just, I don't know. We gotta figure this out. Cause I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. Cause I don't like plumping stuff on my lips. Like I don't like that. And how would I use this as an eye serum? I don't know. So we'll check it out. We'll see what it do. And I'm gonna update you guys on all the products that I use and if I like them, will I buy them and all that good stuff. So this one got me raising an eyebrow or two, but we'll see what it do. Okay. And that one retails for $34. Okay. The next thing on the card is the Luna Magic. It's by Luna Magic Beauty. It's the Va Va Voom Pink Lash Primer. And it looks like this. It's by Luna Magic. And it's the Va Va Voom Pink Lash Primer. So is it pink? I want to see. And this one retails for $25. This is a new launch. Oh, and it is pink. Most primers, lash primers I know are white. So to see a pink one, that's cute. That's cute. So, well, clumsy. So that's cute. And the last thing in the box is a brow bar by Rima. And it's the Brow Lights Caramel Action Duo Brow Highlighter, which looks like this. And this retails for $16. Did I tell you how much the Luna Magic Primer retails for? If I didn't, that one retails for $25. And this one retails for $16. So I want to see what this looks like as well. So I have a lot of brow products in this, brow and eye products. I don't really know if I'm going to use these. Depending on how my eyes do. These say brow highlighters. But I would really use them like in my inner eyelid to do that. Oh no, they're too soft. They're a little bit ashy, girl. I don't know if I can. So one side's matte and one side's a shimmer. So yeah, that's cute too. I don't really know what I would use it for. I would probably use it. I don't know. Because those are too light for my brows to do my brows with. I don't know. But yeah, this box was okay. The only thing I'm really excited about is the Sunday Riley Good Genes lactic acid treatment. Like, I'm excited about this one. This one, your girl gotta do, you know, some research on, because I'm not sure. A lash primer is always good, so that's a good one to keep in my stash. But they could have kept this brow pencil, girl, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I really don't know. So this one was cute. I'm back at the stage of the boxes. It's not my favorite. It's not one of my favorite boxes. I will say that I'm only really excited about one thing in the box. That's it. That's really it. Clearly I should have looked and picked some things, and you know. But anywho, that was June's unboxing of my BoxyCharm. And I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Let me know if you do. I think I'm going to give this one more unboxing, and then I'm just going to start showing you guys on the things that I like, I don't like, the things that, you know, work for me, things that didn't, because I have been using them and I just want to feel better before I come back on YouTube with playing in my makeup or doing my makeup or anything like that. Like, I hate being sick and doing my makeup because I will cough and sneeze, and you know, just germs bother me. Okay, so I cannot like do that. I know I said that I was gonna be doing makeup videos, and I said that a couple of videos back, and I know y'all probably looking like, girl, she just be lying, and I promise I'm not. I just have not been feeling well. Like, y'all hear me, right? So I thought it was gonna be like a little fluke of it, but it wasn't, and I just, you know, just want to feel better before I come back on here doing my makeup. That's all. Like, that's just, bear with me, send me prayers and well wishes, and you know, I'm going to see my doctor because my sinuses just stuff is doing the most, and I am not here for it. But you guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's chat it up in the comment box below. Let's talk about things. Do you guys subscribe? Are you a BoxyCharm subscriber? Like, what box are you? What you got in your box? Like, are these things like things you would use or not? Let's talk about it. All right, and follow me on all my social media handles. I will drop them below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, lovies.